Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set new notes start with title, heading, subheading or body on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, we go down and tap on notes. Next, go down and go to the viewing section and tap on new notes start with. In here, by default, it is set to title, but you could also choose heading, subheading or body. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to notes settings, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.